Hey folks, welcome back to Tank's Home Cooking, and today I'm gonna show you how to make my homemade gum gà, okay? Vietnamese gum gà. Chicken rice, translated, or I would say the Vietnamese version of a chicken biryani, okay? Come on, let's go check this out. One more thing, we're gonna be using 3 equivalent to this here, so 3 cups of rice, okay? All right, folks, so here we be. All this chicken here is cleaned, washed. What I did was I used kosher salt, salted both sides. This is gonna go in the fridge, dry brine for a couple hours, preferably overnight, but we got like 3 hours, so this is what we're gonna do. Half of this here is gonna be fried. The other half is gonna be inside the rice. Okay, our ingredients here: 2 cans of chicken broth, 398 milliliters or 13.45 fluid ounces. 2 cans of that, 2 bay leaves, curry powder, turmeric, some kosher salt, about equivalent 3 cups of rice here, which I don't have, but I'll put it out. I'm just too lazy to bring out that right now. Okay, so 3 cups of that, and of course some here. Oop, there you go, some fried onions. Okay, that's gonna be inside the rice as well. These two measurement, I'll let you guys know while I'm cooking because honestly, I wouldn't know right now how much I need. So we'll go on from there. All right, folks. Alrighty, folks, we have here our cleaned rice. What we're gonna do is throw in 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, to begin with first. Boom, for the color. And then 1/4 teaspoon of Madras curry. Okay, boom. I'll mix that up and we'll see. Okay, in our medium pan, medium heat, we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. And then we're gonna throw in our rice, okay? We're gonna toast it. Okay, give it a good mix. Essentially what you wanna do is just kinda get the oil and the rice incorporated and toast the rice. Then we're gonna throw in our chicken broth and see if we need to add any more water. All right, folks. So when you keep on stirring, you're gonna get that dryness feel. But that's when you know you're ready to start cooking for real, for real. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw some of these in here first. So there's one and 2 tablespoons. Okay, fried onions. Okay. Mix them up and then throw in my chicken broth. See, it feels kind of dried out compared to what we had our washed rice. Okay. Okay. Here comes the chicken broth. Okay. And throw in our chicken. So boom, 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 boom. Okay. Maybe one more. Okay. Now you want to get this to a boil and then cover it and leave it on low. Okay. Oh yeah. Quick PSA. I crank the heat up to high. Wait for it to boil. Throw in my 2 bay leaves in there. Okay, it's about to boil. And we're gonna cover it and cook it for about a good 15-20 minutes. Okay? All right, folks. So what I did was I add another cup of water in there, wait for this to boil, leave it on low, and cook for 15 minutes. That's my fault. Well, all right, it's boiling now, so I'm gonna turn down the heat to low and cook it for 15-20 minutes. All right, folks. While the rice is cooking, I have here my pan, medium heat. Wait for it to warm up. Okay, which is already warmed up. Throw in our frying oil. Any type of oil is fine. Okay, we're gonna fry the half of the other chicken, like I said. So, boom, just like that. And what we're gonna do is just essentially just fry up, get the skin real nice and crispy. Since I did a dry brine for about 3 hours, no need to worry. And here's a trick. I learned this from someone here. Throw some salt in your oil pan, and it shouldn't splatter. Okay. So here comes our chicken. I'll do with this one skin side down first for the thighs. Okay, and the drumsticks. Oh yeah, rule of thumb: you shouldn't really crowd your pan, but oh well. I don't care. Alrighty, folks. So we're just about 6 minutes in. Let's see if I can finish here. But I burnt my chicken there. Woo! Okay, that looks good. Okay. And remember, this is still on medium heat. Okay. We're gonna cook this for another good 6 minutes per side. So 12 minutes total. Alright, folks. So I just flipped the chicken. We're gonna leave it for another 6 minutes, maybe 8. Probably another 6 minutes on this side, 1 minute on the side, and flip to the other side for another minute. We'll see how things work out there. Alright, 6 minutes up. We're gonna flip this to the side. Woo. Flip it to the side. Flip it to the side. Oh yeah. Flip it back. Go for about another minute, and then I'll flip it to the other side. Okay. 1 minute's up. Another minute and a half. Okay. That minute and a half is past. I'm gonna flip it back one more time. Okay, so 2 minutes, finish it off, and we're gonna leave it on the wire rack to cool down. All right, folks. So here we are. Check it out. Now I'm gonna transfer this into our rack to cool down. Check it out. See? So what that dry brining does is, look here. Okay, this is what you do. Maybe the drumsticks need there's not that much surface for it to fry, but it's still good eating. All right, and we already dry brined it, so this is properly seasoned. Okay, and on top of that, we did throw some more salt into our oil pan. Check it out. Jiggle, jiggle. Okay. All right, folks. So about 18 minutes in, I flipped the chicken. Okay, and flip the bird, flip the chicken, and I'm gonna leave it about 5 minutes, just like that. Okay, covered. Alrighty, folks. So 5 minutes passed. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take this, put it over here real quick. I'll take out the chicken, and I'm gonna shred them. Okay, while this is hot, let's go in there. I'm just gonna break it apart. Okay. Woo, that thing is hot, man. Dang. Whew. Man. Yeah. If you could do it, you can do it. If you can't, you can't. But find some other method. I'll probably just say use a fork. Ugh. Whew. Dang. Back in there. Yep. You can even let this cool. You don't have to do it the idiot way. Oh, see? Now, good mix. Yep. For another 5 minutes. Just let it cook. Okay. In total, I would say we cook this for about good 30 minutes so far. Might another 5 minutes, and we'll be good. Okay. All right, folks. Here we are at the end of the road. So check this out. This is how I plate mine. Okay. Get some of this here. Okay. Okay. Here we are. End of the road. So we typically will serve this with our homemade ginger fish sauce here. Okay. Also, I always like to put this on top too. Just like that. Man, I love these things, man. They're really good. We're gonna put in our sauce here on top, like that. Trust me, this goes well with everything here, the sauce. So just like that, okay? Add more if you want. All right, folks. Here we have it, man. Still crunchy. About 15 minutes. It's been cooled. Okay. So, man, let's dig in. It's still hot. Yeah. Really heavy on the protein, huh? Uh, just felt like it today. So, mm. Oh yeah. That sauce makes a huge difference. Okay. Let's give this a try. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh man. Dang, that's juicy. Yeah, that brine is really good, man. Mm-mm. I like to serve mine with cucumber and tomatoes. You can also have crunchy water in here, aka salad, but that's just me. I don't do that. Mm. Mm. Well, besides the brining for a couple hours, it don't take that long. I'll give it take 30-minute tops, maybe 45, including the making the sauce and everything too. But yeah, here we are. You know, thank you for following along with me. It's a fun journey, so please come back. Okay, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, I'll see you next time. Ciao. Whew, man, that was good. However, there's one thing that I mistakenly did, and that was to add a cup of water towards the pot when I was cooking it. I thought that the 2 cans of chicken broth wasn't going to suffice it, but however it did. I forgot to accommodate for the juice from the chicken itself. It's moist, so it released a lot of you could say what, meat juice. Well, pause. Um, yeah, next time don't just trust the process, okay? Because that's 3 cups of rice, okay? Stir fried a little bit and dried out to 2 cups of, well, not 2 cups, to 2 cans of chicken broth. That will be plenty, okay? My rice was kind of mushy, so it is mushy. It's still good. It's still good. It's just a little bit too mushy for the consistency that I'm looking for. But hey, we all make mistakes, so never perfect. And all this video here, it's just probably like 1 or 2 take, and that's it. Sometimes I can't retake it because I have my son. So hey, it is what it is, But I still get this content out because it's just what I like to do. Okay, so hey, learn from your mistake. I'll see you guys next time.